Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna open up this Corvette Hot Wheels monster truck. So I haven't opened a monster truck in a while, but we are gonna open this monster truck I've had for a little while. We can get the DeLorean, and we can get this burger truck, and we can get this Volkswagen, which I can grab if you can just wait here for a second. Okay, here it is. I got the Volkswagen bus. There it is on the packaging, so I got that one. So now let's pop open this Corvette Hot Wheels monster truck. So yeah, let's dig into it. Oh, okay, this is a bit interesting. Oh, okay. Oh, I got this. And okay, guys, look at this. We got this weird plastic mold. And, ooh. Oh, wow, ooh. Put that on the side. Then we got our Corvette monster truck, which actually looks pretty cool, and I really like it. Hold up. Okay, I think it can go on top like. Alright, we got the Volkswagen Beetle, and we got the Corvette that we finally opened, and also we get this little thing, which I don't really need, so we can still put it like this. Have the little crushed car. There it is. But still, this, I almost forgot to talk about it. Sorry, if we take a look at this car, I love the retro design with the nice kind of brownish and red colors. Has number 84 on it. I'm assuming this car is made in 1984. Has the Corvette, it says Corvette on the back with some pretty cool headlights. It also has some pop-up headlights on the front. Pretty nice chrome wheels that are pretty big. You can also see the chrome engine inside of there. If you do this, you can like move the car's wheels. The car seems kind of like wonky, and the body's a little bit too small for a car. I don't know, it just kind of seems a little bit off. But still, it is pretty cool, and I have nothing else to say about this car. But yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Check out my gaming channel, Zamir Gaming 101. But yeah, guys, have a good day. Bye. Bye-bye.